milk. Well.
Hi! Happy pancake breakfast day!
I know, it's so fun.
Good coffee and pancakes.
This is our local Cheney Christmas pancake party, and it's pure sweetness.
Well, they're not there very often, and there's no need for them to interact with Judy.
Yeah, real men do eat cake.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful. Hey Laura, look here.
I did.
Say I'm going to do a little video, document this whole thing.
Get porches. Hey, those weren't that better. Those
Oh, yeah, you like it, right?
Yeah.
It's good? I put them over by the coffee. Okay, we've got Bill's famous avocado toast here.
Here's I don't remember that. Nice toasty piece of bread. That's important. Half of it is the bread.
Yeah, half
This is
is
really good, fresh sourdough from Juicy.
A lot of this is experience. Like a lot of the techniques I used, I didn't even realize they were.
landscapers. Tell me what that means. Oh my goodness. There we go.
And Michael for putting this on.
Got to be the best tree house ever.